Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service by Microsoft. So you can access out OneDrive by using any web browser of your choice. And in my case, I'm using Google Chrome. And over here on the address bar, you need to type in onedrive.live.com, or you can also type in onedrive.com and press enter. Once you do that, it gets redirected onto the Microsoft OneDrive URL, as you can see, and Microsoft page opens up where you can go around and access out OneDrive, as you can see right here. So it says OneDrive is a personal cloud storage, and for start using this, you need to go around and have a Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, then you can go around and straightly sign in, or you can create a free Microsoft account if you want as well. So in my case, I have a Microsoft account already. That may be a Hotmail account or an Outlook account. So you can go around and make that out right here. And if you're using Microsoft Windows, then most probably you already have made a Microsoft account as well. So I'm going to go around and click on sign in right here. And once you do that, what happens is that it asks you for your account. So I'm just going to go around and type in my account details right here. tututube@outlook.com, which is my Microsoft account. So I'm just going to go around and click on next. Then you need to go around and enter out your password and then click on sign in. And if you are on a trusted device, you can go around and sign in forever as well. So once you do that, what happens is that you get signed in into your OneDrive account, and you can see your folders right here, as you can see. So this is what you have. You got your files right here and everything right here, as you can see. If you're using Microsoft OneDrive account for the first time, then you won't see any pictures or so forth, any folders right here. But over here, in my case, I have used OneDrive a bit so that you can see some of the details right here, as you can see. So in this tutorial series, we're going to explore on how we can use Microsoft OneDrive to safely back up our files, and then also use the desktop version of OneDrive app so that we can back up our files easily. So with the free version of Microsoft OneDrive account, you get 5 GB of free storage. That if you pay the price for the premium service, then you get more as well, depending on the service that you choose. So that is how you can go around and access out your Microsoft OneDrive account by using your Microsoft account. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.